Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show to you guys how to install this MP5 player version 4022D. So I want to replace my old player over here. This one is already damaged. So here's some remote control for the steering wheels, and this one's for the speaker wire, and this one is for the incoming power supply, and this one is a reverse camera complete with wiring. So let's see the player. The player is just like this. Okay, simple as that. Let me show to you guys what is the measurement. Okay, 18 cm from here. Okay, and then around 6.5. Then this one around 5 cm, 5.4 cm. Okay. So before we proceed for the installation, we can see the wiring diagram over here. Sorry, my camera is not so clear. Okay, from here also I have the wiring diagram, so easy to install. Okay, according to the wiring diagram, okay, referring to the power supply here. Okay, the yellow one is for the constant power supply, yellow one. Okay, and then the switch, let's see, switch is for red color, and then this one is for this one is black for the ground wire. And then if you want to install the parking sensor control wire, you have to link with this one. Okay. This one should be easy to install and won't take much longer. For the first timer, please refer to this video, okay? Okay. So how to do the connection for the wire? So for those who are on Proton Iswara, it's very easy. This one the new cable, and this one is the old cable one. This is the original cable for the Proton Iswara. I'm not sure if the color code for the other car is same as like this one, but you can make this one as your reference. So since that the new cable and the old cable is more likely the same, so I'm going to use the old cable one. The position of the color also the same. You see pink and blue and then red, black, green, yellow. So for the yellow one, this is the yellow cable connected to the green white. This one is incoming positive 204, and then this one is this one ground. Okay, the red color is for the switch, radio switch. Okay, alright, this one I connect to my power amp, so that my power amp will turn on when I turn on the key and turn on the radio. Okay, this one is proposed for the parking sensor. So like this. Okay, for the speaker connection, green, black and green is connected to the green black. I connect it to the white blue over here, and then this one I connect to the yellow blue over here. Okay, yellow blue. And for the purple one I connect to the black, purple and purple one I connect to the yellow and yellow red and the red gray. Yes, over here. Simple wiring. And the other extra two speaker I just connect it to my tweeter. Alright, so for the reverse parking wiring diagram, they give me one very long cable for the reverse parking, and then this one the reverse camera. This one is for the power supply for the camera. So according to this diagram, it should be easy installing. From this one is for the power supply, it's connected to the camera. Camera is over here, the connector is here. Okay, it should be connected like this, so it will trigger turn on the camera. So this one should be easy. Just connect it to the reverse light at behind. Okay, and then I believe this one is connect to here like this. This one going the same also for the power supply, the red color one, and this one is going to the pink wire over here. So whenever you turn your gear to R reverse, the light at behind there is on, send the signal to here, and then trigger the pink wire, and then the screen will change to reverse. That's it, very easy. Okay, let me do it first. Okay, so I just finished pull the video cable from back, and then according to this diagram, it's supposed to be number 1. Sorry for the camera, I cannot focus. Number 1 yellow is about here, and this pink color wire I just connected to this one. This one's coming from the reverse light. Okay, and then let me show you. Okay, let me put back first. Just put like this. Okay, if I put in reverse gear, so it will shows the reverse view, I mean rear view. Simple as that. The light from rear will send signal to the pink color wire, and then that's it, guys. Very simple. And for this remote, I think I will keep it, since that I still have the old one. And then the remote, this remote will keep it inside this car. That's it, guys. Very simple, easy to install. For those who are on Proton Iswara this is your guide. Right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.